to my recipe video series where we're making extreme, cheap food for busy people like me. Okay, this is the video. 4 giant meals that require no effort, okay? I'm talking no cutting board, no boiling, no chopping, no peeling. This is it. For the days that you have nothing to give, but you don't want to open the wallet, you don't want to call Uber Eats, you don't want to drive somewhere. Well, actually, you want to do all those things, but you're on a budget. No doing those things. Did I mention $3 a meal? Under $3 a meal.
This first recipe is roasted veggies and franks. Mix a bag of frozen hash browns and frozen green beans with 2 tablespoons of oil and lots of your favorite spiced seasoning blend. I used Aldi's blackened seasoning. That's my absolute favorite. Don't go skimpy on the salt or spices. Mix everything together well, then bake at 400 degrees for a minimum of 45 minutes or up to 90 minutes for an amazing crispy potato. You can microwave the franks or throw them into the baking sheet at the last 15 minutes. I love this so much, it's my new cornerstone meal. Next up is thick smoky bean soup. I know I said no boiling, so feel free to slap this in the microwave. Mix a can of refried beans with a cup or so of water. Mix in beans, corn, and a can of fire roasted tomatoes. Squeeze in some lime juice and maybe some extra salt and a smoky seasoning like chipotle or smoked paprika. This makes 2 giant bowls of soup. It's so hearty and super cozy. I added a garnish of yogurt, which I included in the price, but it's totally optional. This is an effortless pantry meal and even more flavorful than it looks. This next recipe is Frank's potatoes and peas. Mix potato flakes with salt, fake butter, and water, and microwaved it according to the package. And holy hell, these mashed potatoes were so good. Then I microwaved Frank's, and then I microwaved frozen peas, and voila! It looks like your great-grandmother made you a proper dinner. Nothing about this combination resembles a cold bowl of cereal with a spoon. This is a high-protein feast. This is another great meal that comes together in under 10 minutes. This last recipe is beans and rice enchiladas. Mix 2 cans of refried beans with a hot pouch of microwaved rice. I divided the mixture between 9 large tortillas. I simply rolled them up and covered them in enchilada sauce. I baked mine at 375 for 15 minutes. I still had some yogurt left over, so I used it for garnish, which is included in the price, but totally optional. Once again, another effortless meal prep. Thanks for watching! All the recipes are linked below, and check out the other 4 videos in the series.